A very warm and pleasant morning to our Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, esteemed educators, and my fellow schoolmates. Today, Class 6 is going to present their morning assembly, and the topic of the assembly is drawing plants. Prayer is the exercise of drawing on the grace of God. Let's get inspiration from this wonderful thought and pray together to start our day. I would like to invite Hassan for the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and bow your head for the prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done. On earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sins against us. Save us from the time of trial and deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Now, I would like to invite the Thagat for the pledge. Take the position for pledge. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. And I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents and all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will bring and prosperity alone like my happiness. Now, I would like to invite Mishika for the motivational thought. I'm Mishika from Class 6. Today's thought is don't judge each day by the harvest but by the seeds you plant. Thank you. Loud. I would like to invite Swarnim to read the news headlines.
Hey everyone, my name is Swarnim. I am from Class 5. Today news is Trump was chancelled for his call to suspend the constitution over the election. Thousands are on high alert in Java, Indonesia, following the eruption of Mount Semeru. NASA Hubble Space Telescope captured a glittering open star cluster in a nearby galaxy. Thank you.
I would like to invite Kubam to speak on the topic.
Kubam Mishra from Class 5 and today I am here to deliver the speech. Plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen for their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plants to live. They eat them and live in them. Plants provide us with many of the ingredients we need to make our medicines. Plants provide us with the building soil quality, and when they die, they decompose. They fertilize the soil, enabling other plants to grow and thrive. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call a music band for the song.